Well, hey everybody, it's Grady here at Uncle Sweetie's Model Works. Today I've got a stash ad, and this is from a couple of months ago. This is two or three different um, Facebook model kit sales groups, um, couple auctions, couple of, um, yeah, I don't know, several different model car face group sales books. Wow. I'm tired, and I probably shouldn't be recording this now, but I am. So there we are. Um, yeah. So I'll just go through it. Like I said, this is from a couple, three different sellers. Got some good deals and some cool kits. Number one, sealed the AMT US Mail Pinto. I don't believe I have any Pintos in my collection, so I bought one. And I kind of like the U.S. mail thing. I don't think I'm going to collect them all because I don't want the big rig truck, but I might collect some of the smaller ones because it's just cool. And that one is sealed. This one is also sealed. Been wanting this one for a long time. The Revell 55 Pro Sportsman in the green with the clamshells. I like this box art, and this one, I imagine a lot of my kits will turn out to be pretty close to box art because that's a lot of the things I buy a particular version because that's the one I like. So this is the one I like. Also sealed in the cellophane. I'm pretty excited about this one right here because, like I said, I wanted to get this one for a long time. I got this one at a pretty good price. Alright, there's that one. Got the new AMT 1960 Ford F100. The all new tooling. I just watched HPI Guy's channel do the full build on it. Looked pretty cool. Looked like a pretty good kit. This kit is heavy. Heavy. So lots of parts in there. If you don't know, it does have a trailer with it. You can do several different liveries with the decals in it. And yeah, also sealed. Oh wow, there's no seam on that side. What the hell? There. There's that seam. Alright. And like I said, this was a couple of months ago. I've got one more, actually two more stash ads over the last couple of months that I'll be putting up shortly. So this one, I had never seen this one before it came up in that group. This is a Revell. What is this thing? BMW 507 Cabrio. So, to my knowledge, I've never seen the car. I've never seen the kit. And I just thought it looked really cool. So I bought it. Y'all know how that is. So that's 4. So there's 6. This other one is 2. 2. 1 and 2. No, 2 to make 1. And I believe I paid less than $50 for both of these kits. I bought them separately, but I think I paid, or maybe it was less than 60. I don't remember for sure. Anyway, these are sealed outside. Got the Rat Pink trailer. Try to get the light off of there. And like I said, 2 to make 1. I got the Rat Pink truck. I have a lot of tractor trailers. Oddly enough, well, I won't say a lot. I've got half a dozen to 10. But I don't think I have the International Transtar. I like it. I like it a lot. And again, those two in particular will probably be box art. So there you go, quick unboxing video. Gonna keep it short tonight. I'm tired, don't have much else to say. I do have a question of the day. So here's the deal. I have a buddy of mine who is sick. Hopefully he won't see this. I have a buddy of mine that wants me to build a couple of model kits for him. I'm not going to call them commissions because they're not paid. I'm not going to call them commissions because I don't have the skill to do commission builds, I don't feel like. But I'm going to build these for him because he is a very good friend and because he asked me to. One of them is the General Lee. Here's my question. I haven't progressed to brush painting yet, so I can't hit up MCW or Scale Finishes and go, hey, need Hemi Orange, I believe is the proper color. So here's my question. And this is specifically for those of you that have built a General Lee kit and done it in at least close to proper colors. What specific paint did you use, brand and color, preferably in a Tamiya color or possibly a Testors? I might be able to still get my hands on a few of those, or might even have. What brand and color, let me specify, rattle cans. Brand and color of rattle can did you use to paint the body of a General Lee model kit? There you go. Thanks for watching the whole video. Answer that question for me if you can. I'd really like the input so I can get a good close color. The other kit I'm going to build for him is a Ghostbusters car, the Ecto 1. And I think I have decided to do that in a little bit of a used and abused, little rusty, little dirty, little grimy thing, and I think I'm going to use Racing White. So if you have a comment on that, leave it in the comments below as well, or any advice on that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I haven't gotten started on my error correct group build yet, but I am ready to start. I've kind of looked at some colors, kind of looked at some things in the kit that I want to do, and hopefully in the next couple of days I will get started and do some model work that I haven't done in a long time. So thank you for watching, and always appreciate your support, the comments. I definitely love this community, and I love the guys that continue, that regularly watch my videos, that regularly comment on them, and regularly offer advice and encouragement and support. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. I'll see you next time.